I wonder if it can actually search on a particular website. Can it search a long lost video? I'm not so sure. Maybe you guys can try it out. Let me know. I want to know as well. GPT-4 have just been released. But one of the things that I realized is GPT-4 cannot search the internet yet. But in this video, I'll show you how you can do that. So GPT-4 have just been released, and this is some of its shiny new upgrade, such as creativity, visual input, and longer context. In order for you to access ChatGPT 4, you need to be a ChatGPT Plus subscriber. And if you have not done that, you'll be able to see an upgrade button right here. Once you upgrade it, you'll be able to see it like this. So the default GPT-3 is faster, but it has less reasoning and conciseness. Ignore legacy because legacy is the old one. But once you'll be a ChatGPT Plus subscriber, you'll be able to see GPT-4, which is an upgrade in terms of reasoning, understanding, and creativity. So you see reasoning being full, speed not so much. It's okay. The thing here is that we want more quality, right? Now, you may not be able to see this plugin here. So in order for you to be able to search the internet, go to Google and search for Google Chrome extension. It will be in the first one. Click into this. You will see something like this. And then what you need to do is search for Web Chat GPT. And you'll see something like that. So it is this one which you want to get. You click into this and you look something like this. And you can click Add from Chrome. You'll see Remove from Chrome on mine because I've already added it. Once you add it, you'll be able to see something like this. This allows you to search the internet with GPT-4. Once you click onto this web access, you can even click slash and it allows you to restrict your search result to a specific website such as Wikipedia, or you can get it to search the content on a specific page. This is very useful, especially if you want to search on authoritative websites such as Harvard Business Review. So for now, once you have access to this, you can ask it to give you sources to prove that confidence will help make you more money. This is an example. Let's click enter. So with GPT-4 upgrade, it will now be able to give you a very compelling answer, including the sources and links to that website that you have gotten from. For example, number 2, it shows Harvard Business Review. So you can click on this link and it shows you Harvard Business Review. And that is the kind of source you want because these are authoritative websites. So this will look like when it has finished with all the links here, which you can check. But make sure you guys check, yeah, because ChatGPT can be an awesome bullshitter. Sometimes it gives you a very, very weak website from some unknown website, but it can write really well. So make sure you guys check. It's like an intern, except this robotic intern is a well-known bullshitter. So make sure to check your sources. Now, this can help a lot of research assistants. Some say that this will take over research assistants' jobs, but I don't think so. I think with research assistants, using GPT-4 will actually be so much more better. Like I said, ChatGPT can be an awesome bullshitter. Therefore, it requires someone to actually fact check it. And that's where the research assistant can come into play. But if you're just someone who do lots of research for presentations or whatnot like myself, this is a complete lifesaver. One of the ways of using this web chat GPT allows you to also create lots of articles and also create social media posts, which you can also sell. But if you want to know more on how to make money online with ChatGPT, I place a link in the description below, so check that out. So don't wait, guys. Become a ChatGPT Plus subscriber. I'm not being paid to promote ChatGPT Plus, but like what I've showed you just now is going to be really, really helpful and it will change your life. So go get it, guys. Yeah, so that's it, guys. This is how you can actually use ChatGPT 4 to search the internet. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and like this video because I'll be sharing more tips and tricks on how to best use ChatGPT and as well as how to make money online with them. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys have a very fun time playing with GPT-4. and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Man, oh man, I still remember that one video. I still couldn't find it.